By far and away, one of the most common questions I'm asked is, how do I start making money online without showing my face? So in this video, I put together a list of 9 different ways that you can start making money online without showing your face. So even if you have a face for radio, you don't want to appear online, you want to be incognito, you want to talk to your friends and family about it, there's 9 different opportunities for you to start making money online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it. There are tons of different ways to make money online without showing your face, but I'm going to actually give you some real ways that can bring substantial income. We're not talking about pennies, nickels, and dimes when you do survey sites like I talked about in yesterday's video. We're talking about real money. So we're going to talk about how you can find these opportunities, how you can get started, everything that you need. The first one, and since we're already on the app, let's go ahead and talk about it. One of the best ways to make money online without showing your face is simply starting a YouTube channel. Now, if you look here on my screen, I have tons of different YouTube niches that you could get into. If we look at the very top, we have basically Reddit stories. These guys go and grab different stories from Reddit and they read them out loud. Now, the key to Reddit stories, if you want to get monetized this way, is either you or a person, a real person, has to actually read these stories. You can't just use AI like they were using back 3, 4, 5 years ago. That's not going to work. But if we scroll down, you can see there are all sorts of different opportunities. This person here, Adobe in a minute, never show their face and they're giving Adobe tutorials. So if you have a skill set, if you know anything about coding or programming or different softwares, you can do it. Also, we look at this, the best YouTube camera, you could do best X4Y. There is tons of opportunity. If we scroll through and look, you can see there is lots of ways to take advantage of YouTube and make money and never show your face. I love YouTube. As you know, I'm here on YouTube all the time. And so there's lots of opportunity. One of the best ways you can make money is the YouTube Partner Program, obviously. You can also make money with affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about in just a moment. You can sell your own physical and digital products. You can do coaching. You can get build a membership site on Patreon or even through YouTube. You can start a Discord channel. You could get sponsorships and brand deals. There is so many different opportunities to make money on YouTube. It is incredibly powerful. YouTube, as you know, is the second largest search engine in the world. And so people come to YouTube all day, every day, billions of times per day, to have questions solved, to be entertained. YouTube is a great place to start. If you don't want to do YouTube, you could also do blogging. Yes, blogging is still really profitable and really powerful. This website here, Money Pantry, is a website that I used to go to all the time to get ideas for my TikTok videos. You can see they have 81 legit ways to make money online, 150 legitimate work from home jobs hiring now. You simply go out and figure out what your target audience wants to know. You create that content, and once again, you can make money in a variety of ways. If we look at a website called Ahrefs, this is a keyword research tool that gives me an idea of how much a channel is or a blog is making. You can see here that they are getting very, very good results. As you can see, $463,000 per month. That's the traffic value. That might not be what the traffic's actually worth or how much money they're actually making, but that's the traffic value, okay? But you can see here, once again, you create content to help people solve a problem and you can make money in a variety of ways. They actually are selling a book down here. You can make money with email marketing, with affiliate marketing, selling your own digital and physical products, selling courses, selling coaching, merchandise, and Google AdSense as well. But all you need to do is think of a niche and then start thinking about different ways to get into that niche. Now, if you want more help in finding ways to enter into a new niche for blogging, reply down below and I'll create a separate video. But starting a blog is still really profitable, really powerful. Now, from personal experience, I have a few different blogs, maybe 10 at this point, and these blogs are getting tons of traffic every single day, and it's helping me make money in a variety of ways. So after starting a blog, we have selling digital products over on Etsy. You can also use Gumroad. There are tons of these websites out here. But what I did is I just typed in SVG, and you can tell that people are making money with these downloadable SVGs. For example, All Disney Princess SVG, this seller store has over 5,000 ratings. And they're getting 5 stars, as you can see, but there are tons of people that are coming to Etsy and these other online sites and they're buying digital products. And basically what you need to do is just type in SVG, hit the space bar, and then start creating these different things. Now, the question and the pushback will be, how do I make these SVGs? Personally, if I was doing it, I don't have an eye for design. What I do have is the ability to hire people that have an eye for design. So I would figure out what my target audience wants to know. For example, Christmas SVGs that's coming up right around the corner. I would head on over to a website like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and hire somebody to make Christmas SVG bundles. As you can see, 400 here. And then I would post them on Etsy. I'd also post them on Gumroad and some of these other sites. And then you can make money. So you're going to do a little bit of arbitrage. Again, this method can be done free or it can be done paid. You can do this for free. You could do this with Affinity Photo, Photoshop, and even Canva. Those are just a few of the different softwares that you could use to create this. But there are tons of opportunities over on Etsy. You can look up digital planners. Type in digital. You can type in printable, you can type in templates, and you can find lots of opportunities. After Etsy, we have affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. What you're going to do is you are going to identify a problem that people have. For example, people want better home security. And what I did with one of my first blogs is I started a blog on home security cameras. And basically what I did is I did a little bit of keyword research, which is finding out what people want to know. I wrote blog posts or hired somebody to write blog posts to answer that question and then made recommendations. When people click on my affiliate link and purchase the security camera, I earn a commission. Now, the cool thing with affiliate marketing is there are tons of ways to go about it. You can start a blog. You can be on YouTube. You can start TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, you name it. Wherever people are hanging out, you can create that content and get in front of them and make money. There are literally thousands of niches out there. The pushback is always, Alston, everything's too saturated. That is a smokescreen that you told yourself, and you're giving yourself a little buffer so that if you're not successful with affiliate marketing, you can say it doesn't work because everything is too saturated. In reality, there are new opportunities that come and go every single day. For example, this Rode wireless microphone wasn't a thing 4 years ago. You can create content on the newest stuff, and I talk about that in my Amazon videos. Let me know if you have questions about it, but you can create content on the newest stuff and get into a niche that's brand new. Another example is the Mac Studio. When you looked up Mac Studio a year ago, it went back to makeup products. Now, Mac Studio is a desktop computer that Mac has created. So lots of opportunity, always new things coming and going with affiliate marketing. After affiliate marketing, we have Pinterest. Now, nobody really talks about Pinterest, but I love Pinterest because it can be an incredible opportunity to make money. One thing that not a lot of people realize is that Pinterest now pays its creators for creating content on Pinterest. Yes, there is kind of like an arms race between Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and YouTube Shorts, where they realize that, hey, people aren't just going to create content on your platform for content's sake. They want to be compensated for the work that they're putting in. So if you start a Pinterest account and you create and upload Pinterest idea pens, you can join their monetization policy or their monetization program. But with Pinterest, once again, lots of opportunity. You can sell print on demand. You can sell digital products, physical products. You can do all sorts of stuff with Pinterest. And again, Pinterest will pay you as well. After Pinterest, we have print on demand. So you could actually sell print on demand products using a website like Printable or even Teespring. Now, what you'll need to do is figure out how to get in front of highly targeted buyers. For example, let's say you create a political printable, whether it's a t-shirt or a mug. You would have to figure out where those people that align with those political views hang out. Do they hang out on Facebook? Do they hang out on TikTok? You create content to get in front of those people, and then you send them back to your Printable shop or your Teespring shop, and you can make money. So there is tons of opportunity with this. And the cool thing with a website like Printable or Teespring is you just come up with the design ideas and then you send traffic to your store or your marketplace, and then you can make money when people click on the product. You don't have to worry about payment processing. You don't have to worry about shipping. You simply send traffic to your Printable shop or your Teespring store, and then you can make money. Another great way to make money online without showing your face is with ads. Now, there are tons of ad platforms out there. There's Google Ads, Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit has ads, LinkedIn, Twitter. All of these places have ad platforms where if you have a couple bucks, $5, $10 per day, you can create ads to skip the line and get in front of highly targeted people. Now, there's two types of content out there. There's free and there's paid. Free content can take a little bit longer to get into your in front of your target audience because you're relying on SEO, organic search results. You're relying on algorithms. However, if you run paid ads, you are skipping that line. You'll pay a little bit of money, but you're going to skip the line of showing up and doing SEO and, you know, trying to play the algorithm game. It will cost you $5 to $10. You'll probably lose money in the very beginning trying to figure it all out. But this can be a great way to make money online without showing your face, and you can make money in a number of ways: affiliate marketing, selling digital physical products, a Teespring store, selling merchandise, selling your own stuff. Lots of opportunity with ads. Google Ads, actually, as you can see here, is they'll give you a $500 credit when you spend $500. Another great way to make money online without showing your face is actually creating and selling online courses. Now, there's two types of ways that you can sell online courses. One way is to use a platform like Udemy or Udemy. This way is going to limit the amount of money that you make because most of these courses sell for $9.99. What you want to do is you're going to need a lot of customers in order to make substantial money with this method. The other option is to sell the course yourself. You can sell a course yourself using Teachable or Kajabi, ClickFunnels. There's a ton of different places out there that you can use to sell your courses. When you sell the courses on your own, you have to obviously drive traffic to your course. You can charge a little bit more for your course. There's more opportunities. I like selling courses on my own because I get access to emails. And then when I send out emails, that gives me an opportunity to make more money with more courses. But the cool thing is, and the reason why I pulled up Udemy, is that there is literally a course for everything. If you have a weird skill, if you spend all day talking about tax accounting, you have a small business about tax accounting, you work in corporate accounting, you could actually create a course in these different sub niches and you can make money because there's always someone out there that doesn't know what they need to know for small business accounting. The next way is with email marketing. Now I've got this solo ad vendor called Udemy, and basically what you do is you come to a website like this and you buy clicks and then you sell them products, whether it's your product or someone else's product. But email marketing is really powerful because you have access to their email forever. And you can send out emails every single day, getting them to buy something or building a stronger connection or building up your YouTube channel or whatever type of content you're creating. But starting email marketing is so powerful. It's one of the first things that I wish I did when I first got started with trying to make money online. When I first got started trying to make money online, I didn't do email marketing. And so I missed out on a lot of opportunities. Now that you know 9 different ways that you can make money online without showing your face, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training that shows you how you can earn a full-time income without spending a dime on paid ads, having a large following on social media, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.